And now this might be a little bit advanced for some people, but if you are going to be getting your cases vapor blasted or tumbled or any type of cleaning like that, you need to remove this outer bearing race right here where the gear cluster rides on. And to do that, I use fluid pressure, and then I have this axle from some Japanese motorcycle of some sort that I found that fits almost perfectly inside that, which is exactly what you need to do this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fill this full of grease. And then we take our special tool and set that in there. You can feel the fluid resistance, and then you just go ahead and tap on it. And you'll feel it when it bottoms out. And at that point, you put more fluid in. So mine is just grease. And just like that, we remove that bearing race. And underneath that bearing race is a special shim washer, which I'll fish out here and show you. And there it is. That's the bearing race, and then that's the washer that goes behind it. And then I'll go ahead and bag these and set these aside.